So over here, you can see that I have a blank canvas, and I'm just going to take my painting tool right here and then start drawing. So I'm just going to go around, take this color, and then I have drawn this, as you can see. Let me just also take another color over here and start drawing out right there. I can create a new layer here, and then what I can do is I can start drawing even more. So I'm just going to go around and just start drawing this like this, and that is on the other layer, as you can see. So I'm just going to rearrange the layer right here. So now let's say that what I want to do is I want to paint only on the top layer right here. So I don't want to go beyond what is there on the edges right here. So I only want to paint on top of the existing pixels. So now what happens is that if I were to select this layer and paint out, you can see that the painting actually happens. But what I want to do is I only want to paint it out in this area. So what I'm going to do is let me just change it to a different color so that it's much more clearer, just like this. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to right click on this particular layer, and over here you can see that there's an option to lock its transparency. So once I hit lock transparency, now what happens is that it only paints, allows us to paint on to that particular layer where the pixels already exist. So if I were to click anywhere here, anywhere else, you can see that nothing happens. But if I were to actually click and drag over here, you can see that the painting is here. So it's only drawing out onto the existing layers, just like this. So you can go around here and you can see that this is how it works. So you can just go around, and if you want to paint out in sharp edges and so forth, then what you can do is you can just paint it around just like that. Similarly, I still have the lock transparency turned on, so I can go around and add in different color, paint colors just like this, and that is how it works like, as you can see. If I want to turn it off, just simply right click over here and click on unlock transparency, and I'll be able to paint wherever I want, just like that. And lock transparency, what it enables me to do is just paint around onto the existing pixels, just like that. It's really helpful to get out your details. So hope you guys learned something as always, and as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.